What are three words that come to your mind when you think about cryptocurrencies? Scam, wealth, or just some trend? For me, it was kind of all of them. But to be honest, in the beginning, I did not know what I was doing. That's why I lost all of my Bitcoin 6 years ago. After the death of my mentor yesterday, I realized we have no time to waste to pursue our dreams. So after 2 years efficiently procrastinating on starting my crypto education videos, I decided it is now or probably never. My dream is to make this world a better place by educating you about blockchain technology and showing you what I learned as an investor and entrepreneur in the space over the last 5 years. I will help you build your wealth in a sustainable way. I strongly believe that cryptocurrencies are here to stay. We have a unique chance to create a fairer, more transparent, and more connected world. Fairer because crypto redistributes power. More transparent because everyone can verify transactions. And more connected because cryptocurrencies are accessible to anyone with internet. And those are just a few advantages that blockchain technology and decentralization can bring you. Therefore, I welcome you to the Hodl Portfolio YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe and stay updated.